Hey guys, how we doing? We're gonna go over Solana today. Hey, I need you guys to know this from the beginning. A lot of the videos today and a lot of the analysis, you need to be watching for the short squeeze in the market. This is a bullish sign. If you guys don't know what that means, I'll explain in this video. Watch for the short squeeze. I just did a video on ADA, Cardano, where I really think you guys need to be watching for this. I'm going to prove this to you guys again on Solana. We have a break and retest pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and I want you guys to be watching this, okay? Guys, we're currently sitting at 122 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. I trade with $150,000 of my own money. I'll show that to you guys here in a second. Not a single member who's ever joined us, who's followed our strategy, has ever lost a trade, okay? If you guys are following our strategy, it has literally been impossible to lose a trade because we just have never lost a trade. The last one we took was on SHIB for 50% of our exit was at 9.94%, and the other 50% was in the profit of roughly about 4% that we got into the profit, okay? So I'll show you guys how to get into the Telegram channel in this video and how to trade with us, but let's go over the metrics here. We're going to go over we're going to indicators first. Then we're going to go over the metrics, and then we're going to end the video. And I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade setup today as well for Solana, if you guys want to take that based off the principles that I use over here to never lose a trade. So watch this if you guys want to take that. Real quick, guys, let's make reference to the trend dashboard. What are retail traders looking at this morning? Well, majority of their indicators are looking bearish. I'm looking for retail traders to continue to short or to start selling the market continually. The market's going down, and retail traders are looking to short this out. But let me show you guys something. You need to be seeing this right here. This trade setup you see mocked up right here. I'm literally in this trade setup with you guys with $150,000 in my account. Solana holds, let me go down here and show this to you guys, about $6,700 worth. And this is the trade that I'm in. I don't just do this, as a service for you guys. I trade with my live money because we have the healthiest account we can find in a bear market. Down, I would say probably about 7 to 8% right now, when most accounts are down about 50 to 55, pushing maybe 60% right now in this market. It's because of this risk management I'm going to teach you in today's video of why we're doing this. And take the healthiest account as well as not losing any trades. This is how you guys start trading successfully, okay? Let me pull this up here for a descending support line here so we can mark this up. Cool. All right, let's get in here. Price risk, well, money flow. Trend exhaustion. Excuse me, guys. My apologies. My allergies have just been killing me lately. So I'm going live. I know it's a weird segue. I'm going live on Zoom later with everybody who has a membership. So if you guys don't have a membership here, guys, snag this right now. Literally later today between 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to be going live in Zoom. I'll send the link out in Telegram. Make sure you guys are in there because I'm literally, this is the once a month meeting we're going to be doing. I'm going to do an open Q&A session for you guys. And I'm also going to be talking about the market. So definitely, guys, get the membership. You guys get access to all the metrics I'm going to show you today, as well as the entries and exits, as well as the Telegram channel, the masterclasses, and the community chat where you guys can hang out with other members here who are trading our system, who are doing incredibly well with this strategy. Real quick, guys, fast. This guy down here, I have to keep saying this, it's pretty crazy. He did $43,000 in a matter of 4 days. We had a guy yesterday, we're waiting to put the testimony out there because it's just so ridiculous, but he did tens of thousands of dollars using our indicators, and this guy down here does $23,000 using these 2 indicators I'm about to show you guys. So anyways, I like to show this because sometimes people are like, oh, I'm brand new to the channel. Does anybody even trade this thing? Yeah, we do. We actually have thousands of people trading with us right now. Okay, let's go to Solana. I want you guys to watch this as far as the indicators down here. You're seeing right now that we have got the well money flow, which is in green, price action in pink here. We've got well money flow really high this morning, and we had trend exhaustion high. I'm going to keep this so simple. I'm going to dumb this down. When trend exhaustion is in the top red section, here's the top red section, and well money flow is high, and it's at least moving up, that is where you watch for drops in the market. It is just as simple as that. Now you're like, okay, that's too simple. Yeah, I know that sounds simple, but look at this. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, look for the drop back down. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, look for that drop back down. Even in an uptrend, this is going to help you guys call the higher high formations before it drops back down. I'm being meticulous now, but I'm pulling each of these so you guys don't think I'm cherry picking any of this. Even this small guy right here, we ended up seeing him move down. Now it's kind of, I don't want to say it's creepy, but it's kind of like we're cheating in the markets. It's like if you're going to try to go long when the trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low. The amount of the probability of you making money is so much higher. You're like, imagine this. You've got a lottery ticket that you're going to win. And let's say it's under 2 different cups, and there's cup A and cup B. The indicator is like, hey, go with A. Go with, like, this is A down here and this is B up here. Now, is it going to give you the right signal and the right call every single time? No, I'm not even going to try to claim that because it'd just be lying to you guys. I've coded indicators for TradingView.com users for a living 2.5 years ago. There's not a single indicator in the world that's 90% accurate or even close to 85. Okay, don't let anyone try to convince you of that. I'll be honest with you guys, these indicators are about 75 to 80% accurate, and that is an honest assessment, and we've never lost a trade, and we're using these two indicators. So coming from that approach, don't let anyone convince you their indicators are 90+% accurate. I've shown you guys in a duration, a time period where it is called 100% of the tops and the drops, but over time, if you take years and years, not a single indicator is that accurate. This is why we use these indicators, but then we use risk management on top of it. Risk management makes up for all the times the indicators may lack a little bit. Okay, watch this. You need to see this right here. When trend exhaustion is low and while money flow is low, that's where you guys are looking to go long. I literally have a scalping strategy that traders are using now. It is the best scalping strategy you guys can use. It was formed after the main strategy where we've never lost a trade. So yes, it works really, really well. If you want to know how to access this, guys, come over here, get your membership. This is all you guys are paying for a month. You guys will get access to all this. The master classes, like I showed you, come over here, go to master classes, scroll down to number 7, and watch this over here. How to scalp with our indicators and metrics. People are doing this and they're doing very, very well. Our members are doing really well doing that scalping strategy. Okay, let's continue down here. I'm trying to show you this all to you guys. When you're waking up this morning, you're looking at this YouTube video, you're like, man, should I get in? Should I get out? Sorry, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to go up here and just go SOL. This is the fastest way to get to the charts if you guys don't know. Okay, here's what you need to be watching for. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. This has officially done what's called a break and a retest of a descending resistance. This is a very, very bullish pattern in the market. Okay, very bullish. Let me show this to you guys. I normally don't do this. I'm going to go down the 15-minute time frame to show this to you. This is a perfect break and retest of a descending resistance that is now a descending support. This will most likely try to see a bounce up here in crypto. There are multiple coins with this exact same formation. And on top of this, trend exhaustion's low and well money flows in the lower sections. That is also a sign that I think is going to push us back up here. So when I started this video this morning, and you guys heard me say this, I am watching for short traps all around the market. That means people are looking to short right now and then get trapped as the price heads back up and their stop losses are hit and they are forced to go long. Make sure you guys have these indicators. They're 82% off. We have a sale going on right now, 82% off. It's running for a while, but make sure you guys snag that in the description. I'll put up a pop-up down here. I might have already done it. It's a little purple pop-up that says 82% off. Click the link in the description. Now let me move you guys over into the actual charts and the metrics for Solana. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this will update, which is in about 10 minutes here. The emotional index for Solana is in the fearful section. Last time we got down here, the market pumped really fast, like really fast, guys. And give you guys an idea of how fast that was. It was an 81% pump. Now, we're not down there at the bottom structures. I understand that. But look at what's happened with the emotional index down here. And then previous to this, we saw this pump in the market right here, which was this pump. Let me put this over here. This pump right here. So if we look at this and we say, okay, well, what's happened the last few times? Even down here, I want you guys to look at this as well. We saw a 40% pump here. We saw a matter of, let's see, this is about a 49, I'll say about 50% pump here. And then we're looking at the 80+% pump over here, 83. Could we just be moving back up in this move here, back to maybe structure high? Yeah, let's not move at the bottom. But is it possible for this next move to be hitting up here about 38%? Yes, absolutely. Guys, that's where the next target is structure high. So seeing a 38% move on Solana is not unrealistic. That's where you guys need to honestly be targeting your next long trades. And that's where I'm looking at too, because when the price gets back up here and we start hitting close to this structure high up here, that's where I'm going to look to exit this trade and take profit. Guys, I'm giving you away exactly what I'm going to be doing. The nice thing is I'm just going to call it out in Telegram so you don't have to do the heavy lifting. Okay, look at this. Long versus short trades for Solana. We see short trades increasing just a tad bit over here. Let me get this a little bit deeper in here. We saw it increasing, but the last couple of days, this actually has been dropping off. This is interesting because dropping off of short trades while the market is going up is not a It's not a bearish sign. It's actually a bullish sign. Usually when price action heads up, short trades usually increase with it, expecting the drop to come back down. But as you can see right here, price action going up, short trades actually drop down a tad bit over here. I think the smart money is getting out of the way and actually getting ready to place long trades. Let me show this to you guys. Take a look at this. This is another reason why. Market cap is moving down here with price. When market cap moves down with a coin, this is where you want to buy. This is where you want to be buying, guys. When interest moves out of a coin, it's where you want to set up long trades. Now, you don't need this to head up right away. That's why we have a risk management strategy that is just the best ever. I'm going to just say it, guys. It's the best risk management strategy ever we can find. Okay, I have solidly traded over 12 strategies. Okay, I've never found one better than this. And hopefully I'm not trying to be arrogant, but like we're trying to prove this with our win rate over here. Okay, watch this. As this starts moving down here, I want you guys to watch something that's going to happen. If this price goes sideways or moves down, and this green line here goes up, this literally will mean people are buying into this coin as the market's going down, and that is a bullish sign in the market, okay? This is, for the most part, as I'm looking at this right here, it has followed the price structure, but even on Bitcoin, let me kind of just take a quick look over here at Bitcoin to show this to you guys of what you need to be watching for. This is how you guys can call some pretty ridiculous moves. Watch this. In Bitcoin over here, when you start seeing the price action starting to head up here, and you see the actual market cap move down, you need to watch for drops. Okay, when you start seeing price action move up and the market cap move down, that's when we're looking for drops. Price action moving down, the actual market cap moving up, that's where you look for moves back up. Okay, that's how you can use this, and that's how traders are doing really well with this metric because they're watching that. All right, let me continue here so I can keep this analysis going, and I might just do that little search function again because there it is. Cool. All right, moving down here, let me show you guys how wealth institutions are actually looking to go long on this. Trades in favor, absolutely sitting down here and doing a good long trade. This is sitting in a good long trade too. You can see down here, when this does push into a good long trade area, this is where the price has a greater chance of heading back up in the market. Now, when it's up here in the short trade area, guess what? That's usually a time where we're going to see the market starting to move back down. So if you guys literally want to cheat in the market, legally, 100% legally, like kind of cheat codes in the market. If you're looking to take a trade in the morning, check what trades are in favor, long trades or short trades. This will help you guys win a lot more trades if you're just watching this metric, okay? Let's move down. Well, institutional smart money. These guys are going long over here and they're accumulating long positions. Please understand this, guys. The big institutions cannot put all of their money into one position. I've taught this to them before, and it's actually a standard practice. You cannot do that. So what you have to literally do is, in a descending market, you need to put chunks of money as the market is going down. So when you guys see this over here, and I've got this question before, Travis, why does this show that this is coming out here and it has a lot of long trades and we still keep heading down? You must understand there's no possible way the institutions can put all their money into one trade. There's not enough selling power in the market for all of them to put their money in. And plus, I've taught this to them as well, the institutions need to hide from retail traders. They need to hide. So what I've taught a guy, and this is a guy called me up, he's like, I've got $10 million and I want to put in the market. I'm like, you have to split this up into different portions. And this is just standard practice when you guys start talking to OTC, over-the-counter brokerages like Coinbase, and you're entering into these markets like this. When you've got a lot of money, you need to split it up into different portions so you're not spiking the limit orders on Coinbase or a different exchange and you have retail traders trying to follow the whale trades. You actually want to hide in the sellings, in the lower lows of price action multiple times, okay? It's literally a secret of the whales that they know. They know they do this because they can't put it all in at one shot. So when you see this, this tells me, okay, I know that they're looking to put positions in here, they're looking to put positions down here, and they're just being patient, guys. Look at this. Hey, whales, let's put some positions in here, let's put some in here, let's put some in at the top here. And guess what? The market crashes after that, and they make their money back easily. They can't put it all in at one time. There are times in the market where you will see a flash move down here, and sometimes, I don't know how to explain it, I think it's just majority of them sync up somehow, and they're like, oh, we're going to sell, and then and when that does happen, it just drops like a rock, okay? Point being, watch when this starts accumulating, that the more accumulation you see, that is probably going to push us into a bigger drop back down. So overall, this is bullish. That's the point I want to make on that. Okay, resistance and support. The next resistance we're going to hit is 116. Okay, 116 puts us right at this structure right here. That's the next spot we're going to hit if we go back up on the short squeeze. That's going to put us at break even. After that, we're going to target 143, which is just a structure high. We're probably going to be looking to take on this trade. Actually, I'm sorry, guys. My apologies. Let me move this down. We're not down 22%. We are down only because our break even got hit. I'm sorry I didn't up that for you guys. Only down 12%. So there you guys go. We just saved 10% by moving a line because we had our money broken up into different buy limits. Okay, first one was hit, second one was hit, break even entry. So I apologize, I should have done that in the beginning of the video, but we're only down 12.44% on this, and I am actually literally, like I showed you guys, I'm in this trade as well. Okay, let me show you guys this, and I'll show you how to get into a trade setup here. Dollar cost average entries, again, great place to look to get into the market. You guys got into the market down here. Everybody who's like getting into these lower positions, like this is insane what you guys are able to do. You guys are currently in the profit. Just hold this for 5 to 10 years. For all of you guys who are diamond hand holders, like literally diamond hand holders, you guys are going to do so well. Now is the time to be buying crypto. You're getting a second chance. This is what I want to call it. This is a second chance drop in the market. When this came down over here, I was like, this is not going to go any lower. I put $49,000 into the market right over here. And I'm like, this is the bottom. It literally was the bottom. And then we're getting what's called a second chance in the market. So if you're like, man, I thought we were going to blast off here and I was going to miss it. No, here's your chance to set up another trade and get into the market. Let me show you guys. Scroll all the way down on Solana and you guys will see the trade setup. Come over to crypto charts here and go on Bitcoin. I'll show you how to set this up here. I want to keep it private for our members, but this is what you guys do. On Solana chart, you're going to see 4 yellow lines. There are 4 buy limits and 1 sell limit. Choose the amount you want to enter or trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions, 250 each. That 250 is going to go each of the yellow lines. Once the first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green. It's simple, guys. 4 yellow lines you're going to see on the chart. When the first one gets hit, set up the sell limit in green, which is probably very close to the structure high on the metrics. Once you do that, you're in the market. If it goes down, just like this here, your break-even entry is going to move down as well, and you're going to have more money in the market. So as the price goes against you, you are actually going to make more money as the price goes against you, and your risk to reward ratio is going to get better because your break-even entry is falling with you. This is why there's no better crypto strategy to trade, period. Okay? We're saying this with the highest win rate, so I want you guys to believe that. Like, I've tested this. This really is like the best thing to do. Once you guys are in that trade setup, follow me in Telegram because I'm going to call an exit for this trade when we're up to right around this structure, right around here. I want to get about 10 to 11% out of this. So if you guys get in now, you guys can add 12% to whatever I take out. So you're going to probably do about 21 or 22% when I exit this trade up here. So it's just a no-brainer. Get in now, guys, with those buy limits. Set up your risk management and just follow me in Telegram and I'll call an exit for you guys, okay? Once you have your membership, click literally Telegram and you'll get in over there. Last but not least, guys, the indicators, these are literally 82% off today. So make sure you guys are snagging these in the description. It is a one-time purchase. When I tell you guys, you need to watch these indicators over here to call drops and pumps in the market, you literally use this. If you're going to take a trade and you're going to scalp with our strategy, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, and you guys are looking for only 3 to 4% in the market, guys, it's going to be very hard to lose our scalping strategy. We've never lost a normal trade, and we're going for 10 to 12%. The scalping strategy only goes for 3 to 4% profit. That's why you can do it over and over and over and over again, and the compound interest on that is insane. Literally, watch that compound interest, the scalping masterclass, and I will show you a compound interest calculator at the end of how ridiculous it can get, okay? This is why, you guys, understand this. You're looking at my account and you're like, well, you should be a lot higher. We are a lot higher than all other traders. The average trader is down like 55% in their account right now, and we're only down like this. This gets confusing because too many people are watching pump boys out there and moon boys, and it's going to throw you guys off. You're not being conditioned correctly, and it's going to be that someday you're going to wake up and be like, okay, this Travis guy, it sounds arrogant to say and like backhanded compliment. Like the Travis guy knew what he was talking about. Like the pump coins are exciting. They're thrilling. Yes, you can do well, but eventually you're going to want to have your money safe. Eventually you're going to get to that point. We're down 8.7% right now. And the average account is down 50 to 55%. So we are about 40 to 43% healthier, 43% healthier than all other accounts. So in other words, just pretend that we're up 43% over all the average retail traders out there in the market. 43%. That is staggering staggering, guys. And then once they're back to break even at 43%, we'll be up about 43%, which is tens of thousands of dollars of us in the profit, while other people are still getting back to break even. That's the misconception you guys are being pumped out with these Instagram and these ridiculous, I gotta just say it, some of these are just ridiculous, where it's like, only follow someone if they're in the profit. No, you need to watch what happens in a bear market. And the people out there, don't let me just say myself, the guys out there who have healthy accounts in a bear market, watch those guys. If it's another channel, watch me and them. Like literally, watch the people who have a healthy account in a bear market. They know how to use risk management. They're going to be the ones that are safe, and those are the ones you honestly want to follow. Okay? I'm passionate about this, guys, because I know the lives that we have changed over here from people switching from the Moon Boys coming over here with our testimonials, and they're finally making profits, and they're keeping their account money safe. Okay? Gonna finish this, guys. You get the source codes to our indicators. I apologize if I already said this, but literally get this today. It's in the description. You guys will get all 9 of our indicators instead of just the 3. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before, the pressure gauge, the jackpot indicator. Guys, the best set of indicators you guys can get, which have literally helped us never lose a trade, is 82% off today. So do not miss this. We are gonna be upping the price of this bundle pack. I'm going to talk to the team about when we're going to do this, but this year we're looking to up this price because it's just ridiculously cheap right now. So there you guys go. Have an amazing day. Make sure you guys are signed up on the membership because I will be sending out a Telegram link for the inner circle. And by the way, if you guys don't get the Telegram link, that's totally fine. Just come up here and click this link right here. I don't want to open it, but I'm going to put the actually it's already there. The Zoom link is there. So you can actually join the room right now and wait until 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. And I'll just come on live and I'll talk to you guys. It's going to be a blast. I'm so looking forward to it today. So make sure you guys get the membership, get the indicator bundle pack in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next videos, and I'll see you guys later today. Come over here, join us, guys. I think you will forever see a change in your trading career. We've never had a losing trade. Imagine never having a losing trade again and having the healthiest account in a bear market. The confidence you feel when you see that in your account is incredible. In putting it in the words of one of our traders over here, he had the indicators, like, I have the indicators and I feel like a god now. I'm not saying we feel that but to that extent, but I think it's funny because you kind of feel this feeling of like, whoa, we have mastered this market. We have actually caged this line that's unpredictable, and we are doing really well. So hopefully you guys see my heart in this. I love you guys. God bless you so much. I'll see you later on Zoom. Make sure you guys click the links in the description for these indicators and metrics, and I'll see you guys later. All right. Bye, guys.